Now, this sounds very scientific, and it is, but is it spiritual? You bet it would. Because spirituality is about becoming conscious. People are unconscious. And we're talking about being more conscious, more awake. What we're talking about is being more conscious of our habits, so that we can break the cycle or become conscious of the cycle of where it's become automatic. The brain has said, hey, I'm going to make you automatically reach for the donuts so you can think about other things and do other things. It's up to us to sort of consciously break that cycle. So there are 4 laws that we can use. This is what the author James Clear did so wonderfully. He took these cues and labeled laws that you can utilize to change your habits.